Selling a laptop on Facebook Marketplace has become quite simple nowadays. Today I'll guide you through the process. First, navigate to Facebook Marketplace. Once there, click on the Selling option. This action will lead you to a page where you'll need to select Create New Listing. After that, choose Item for Sale. You'll then be prompted to provide details such as the title, price, and category. In the Category section, locate Electronics and Computers and select it. Now, you can list your laptop. Fill in all the necessary specifications and details, including the location where you intend to sell. You can also add relevant product tags like laptop computer and portable computer. Next, upload clear photos of your laptop. Once done, your laptop will be listed on Facebook Marketplace. Interested buyers can message you and you can discuss the exchange details with them. Ensure to choose a safe location for the exchange, preferably a crowded area, to ensure a secure transaction. And that's it. You've successfully listed your laptop for sale on Facebook Marketplace.